No, don't put your hands in there. Okay? Instead, talk about that. That's not good for you.
All right, do it over here, Connor, so I can see.
And put it right up against the wall, and then they'll come in here.
Well, I can't see because where is it? Whoa, we got it!
All right, Haley, you want to do one? Yeah. Oh, look, he's waiting. Here, baby. Here, you use this one. You ready? Look, he's gonna come get it. Wait. Here, put it on this kind of on the side, baby.
I like this one. Famous Splasher.
Whoa.
Hey, Splasher.
Look, Haley, watch. Look, he's eating it. Did you see? He ate it.
You did it!
Yay! He ate it.
Hey,